Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda, and you know that I love to share things that seems to be difficult but that are really easy. You know that I like to make things that are complicated look so easy. But well, today I will show you how you will see that this fancy and beautiful stitch is made with just 2 rows. So we will repeat this series until you get the long of the project that you are making. I suggest that you use this stitch for a blouse, for a shawl, for a sweater, to decorate something. Maybe you can use this for the edge of your project and it will look amazing too. Remember that it's very important that before we start, you subscribe to this channel. It meant a lot to me. But well, I will give you the step by step. Let's start. To buy all the materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es and we will send it right to your house. Well, for this stitch, I'm going to use this fine Angorita yarn. It's so puffy, I love it. And we will use our hook. In this case, I'm using a hook of number 3. We will start making chains. The secret of this stitch is that you have to make multiples of 12. So you are going to make as many chains as you need according to the size that you will use this stitch, okay? I made 48 chains plus 2 chains for the edge, okay? At the beginning and at the end. So I made at the end 50 chains. So well then, we are going to make these 2 chains more that I told you. We will count 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, we will insert our hook. And right there, we will start making our first double crochet. And like this, we are going to continue the whole row, making a double crochet in each stitch. Okay, we are going to make these double crochets of 2 crochets, the classic double crochet. Look, here I finished. I made 50 double crochets. Please count that at the end you have the same number of the chains that you made at the beginning. So well, once you have the correct number, we will go up with 3 chains. Okay, then 3 chains, then 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then we will skip 1 and in the next one 1 double crochet. In the next 1 double crochet. Chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will skip 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th, right there, a double crochet, and then next to it, in the other stitch, 1 double crochet. Skip 1 and a double crochet, then a double crochet, and so far it's going like this, you see? Then again 5 chains and 4 double crochets, and between these 4 double crochets 1 space. So like this the whole row. Look, here I finished the row, turn around, and we will go up with 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, then a double crochet next to it, so we will start with 2 double crochets. Then we will make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and we will make a single crochet right in the space where we leave between the 4 double crochets, remember? So right there a single crochet, then 3 chains, and inside this space of the 5 chains we are going to make puff. So look, remember that the puff we are going to hold the stitches in the hook and we will use our finger to keep them there. Bring them through 1 chain more, and then again yarn over 1, 2, and 3. Okay, keep them with your finger, bring them through 1 chain more, and again before we insert the hook we are going to turn over. Remember, that's the secret of the puff. So we are going to turn over, insert 1, turn over 2, turn over 3. I will repeat again. So turn over 1, 2, and 3. Bring them through 1 chain, 1 more, and again we will make a puff, bring them through, one chain to close, one chain more, again one puff, bring them through, one chain, and look, we have one, two, three, 4, and 5 puff, right? Then we are going to make 3 chains, and here where we have this space between the 4 double crochets, we are going to make a single crochet right there. 3 chains, and again 5 puff inside the chains, the 5 chains that we made in the last row. Remember, like we made, we are going to make the puff out of 3, 1 chain and 1 chain between each puff. I think that in the last section I didn't make 1 chain between each puff, but well, please forgive me, but you don't forget, okay? And inside we are going to make 5 puff of this space. Then when you finish to make this 5 puff, you are going to make 3 chains and then 1 single crochet between the 4 double crochets that we made in the last row. You see? And this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Okay, so here I finished the 5, 3 chains, and here single crochet, and then we will continue 3 chains and 5 puff. Please try that all the puff are the same, okay, at the same distance and everything. Well, you will start and you will finish the row with 2 double crochets like we made here, okay, so that's important. Let's continue. At the end of the row, we will have something like this. Turn around, and now we will repeat the first row that we made. So we will repeat this here. We will go up with 3 chains, and we will make a double crochet right next to it, and we will make this row. So we are going to make the 5 chains. Now we are going to make the opposite. Where we make the 5 chains, we are going to make the 4 double crochets in this space, and where we made the 4 double crochets in this space, we are going to make the 5 chains. We are going to make the 4 double crochets. So we are going to make 1 here in this space, the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th double crochet. So 1 here, and double crochet, then we will go right to the next one. So in each space we are going to make 4 double crochets, 1 double crochet in 1 space, then 5 chains, again 4 double crochets in this space, and after these 4 double crochets we are going to make 5 chains, and like this the whole row, okay? Well, I finished the row the same way I started, remember. Now, here I see that the space is too wide, so instead of making 1 chain between each puff, I won't make any. I will see how it looks, okay? Let's try. That's why it's very important to make these samples, because like this you see if you like the stitch or not, if you change, if you make less stitches, if you increase. So it's very important that before you start a project, you make a sample. So now we will start with the 2 double crochets, and now we are going to make in this space, in these 5 chains, we are going to make the 5 puff. So we will make the puff out of 3, and we are going to bring them through 1 chain, and now we will continue right away with the next one, okay? I want to make the chain between each puff. So let's see how it looks. You will decide if you like it how we make the puff before. Well, you will continue. If not, well, let's see how it looks.
4, 2 y 3. Sacamos y cerramos, ¿sí?
So look, here I have the 5 puff, and I didn't make any change between. So then 3 chains and single crochet, then 3 chains, and again we will repeat the puff. So I think that I'm liking more not to make any change between, but well, you will decide, okay? Both ways are beautiful too, but it's up to you. Please be careful and try to pull always your hook to the same distance so all the puff can be the same. So that detail is important too at the end when you want to have a beautiful project. These small details are important. Well, you see, this stitch it's made of 2 rows. So the double crochet row and the puff row. So you will repeat this series as many times as you need according to the size and according to your project. You see, we had as a base a double crochet row, and then we'll just continue repeating 2 rows. You will decide if you will leave a chain between each puff or not. Look, well, I continue. I made more rows. I just repeat the series and I love it so far. You will decide, as I told you, if you are going to make a chain between each puff or not. Well, please don't forget to make it. I think that with a lighter material it will look good too. Just be careful with the number of the hook and imagine this using a combination of colors. I think it must look amazing. I think in a blanket, in a baby blanket, in a pastel colors will look amazing too. But well, let's see how it looks. So easy, right? I hope that you have enjoyed making this stitch with me. Please, if you make it, take a picture and tag me. I love to see you making my projects. Well, don't forget to give me a like and don't forget to leave me a comment and share this video if you like it. Thank you so much, and it's very important that you are subscribed to my channel too. Thank you and see you in the coming videos, and please don't forget to follow me in all my social media too. See you in the coming videos. Bye.